What if you could earn an extra $5,000 a month on the weekend without quitting your day job? This isn't a new idea or an untested side gig. The process works, the systems work, and thousands of installs have already proven it through Leggari Countertop systems and the Leggari Academy. This is one of the most lucrative, fast, and low barrier side hustles you can start right now. Our Stone Kit Countertop systems is hands down our most popular system, and for good reason. It creates dynamic, high-end effects like fractured veins, flowing movement, and natural stone patterns that mimic the look of extremely expensive slabs. Every pour is unique, almost impossible to replicate, and delivers one-of-a-kind finish you simply can't buy at a store. And the best part, it's also our easiest countertop system to install, making it perfect for beginners who still want to produce premium designer-level results. Our standard countertop system is the go-to choice for clients who love clean, minimalist style. It uses less material, making it more cost-effective, and it gives you the ability to create subtle, refined designs like Carrara marble, soft veining, smooth blends, and modern neutral tones that fit almost any home. These are timeless looks that stay in style no matter the trend. And if customers want that raw, natural, modern concrete aesthetic, our concrete overlay countertop system delivers everything they're looking for. You can create 4 to 6 inch looking edges while still keeping the countertop lightweight. You can go vertical or horizontal, wrap entire islands, coat backsplashes, and even stain the surface to create an aged, weathered, or antiqued concrete look. Concrete styling is exploding in popularity, and this system gives you endless design options while still being fast and extremely durable. These 3 systems alone unlock hundreds of profitable, customizable design options, all taught step by step inside the Leggari Academy. With Leggari's countertop systems, you're not limited to one look. You can create stone patterns, marble veining, multi-tone blends, metallic movement, spray paint accents, and custom colors unique to each client. You can coat the backsplash, add decorative faces, and create premium upsells on every single project. Your creativity becomes part of the profit. Now let's talk real numbers. A typical kitchen countertop is around 50 square feet. Your total cost, product, miscellaneous supplies, and your labor will be between $500 and $700. The install price for a kitchen this size is usually $2,000 to $3,000, depending on the design and sheen. That means at $2,000, it's $40 a square foot. At $3,000, it's $60 a square foot. And the job takes almost no time. Most countertops can be done in a day and a half. Day 1, it's 3 to 5 hours for prep and installation. And day 2, it's only 1 to 2 hours for your top coat and cleanup. So you're making $1,300 to $2,300 profit for basically 1 day of labor. Do just 2 or 3 of those jobs a month, and you're hitting an extra $4,000 to $5,000 consistently. Now here's where this becomes an even bigger opportunity. Let's compare your service to a more traditional upgrade, like granite or quartz. A typical 50 square foot kitchen with high-end stone, including, this is what most people forget, the slab, sink cutouts, polished fascias, seam work, fabrication, removal of the old counters, and installation. Usually runs $4,500 to over $6,000. That's because premium quartz and granite often cost $80 to $140 per square foot installed. So homeowners are used to paying $5,000 to $6,000 to upgrade their kitchen. With your Leggari install, they're getting a customizable premium finish for $2,000 to $3,000, almost half the price, and just as stunning, which is exactly why this service sells so easily. You're offering a high-end alternative with massive margins, and homeowners love it. And this is where the Leggari Academy becomes the game changer. Inside the Academy, you'll learn step-by-step training for all countertop systems, how to avoid mistakes and master the process, how to price your jobs for maximum profit, how to market locally and online, how to build a part-time business that fits your schedule, lifetime access to the entire countertop library. You're not guessing, you're not hoping, you get the full blueprint from first practice pour to your first paid job. This is how people with zero experience go from beginner to earning real money in just a few weeks. Demand for resurfaced countertops is booming. People want their kitchens upgraded, but they don't want to spend $6,000 on stone. You fill that gap. You provide a premium, custom, affordable alternative, and you can do it on evenings or weekends while keeping your full-time job. This is one of the fastest ways to add real income with minimal tools and minimal liability. If you've been looking for a side hustle that's creative, high paying, in demand, fast to learn, and flexible enough for any schedule, this is it. Join the Leggari Academy today. Learn the systems, master the craft, and start earning the income you've been looking for. This is more than a weekend hustle. It's a pathway to financial freedom.